Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find someone on Fiverr by their username. Whether you're looking to reconnect with a freelancer you've worked with before or someone recommended a specific seller to you, searching by username is the quickest way to locate them on the platform. Let's walk through this simple process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. This step is essential because it gives you full access to all of Fiverr's features, including the ability to view complete seller profiles and their available services. After you're logged in, you'll land on the Fiverr homepage. Now direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see the search bar. This is your main tool for finding sellers, services, and specific users on the platform. Click directly on this search bar to activate it, and you'll notice the cursor will appear ready for you to type. Here's where the magic happens. Type the person's exact username into the search bar. Make sure you enter it precisely as it was given to you, because usernames on Fiverr are case sensitive and any small variation might lead you to the wrong profile or no results at all. Take your time with this step to ensure accuracy. Once you've typed in the username, press enter on your keyboard or click the search icon next to the search bar. Fiverr will now process your search and display the results. This usually happens quite quickly, but give it a moment to load completely so you can see all the matching profiles. Finally, you'll see a list of results appear on your screen. Look through these results carefully and select the correct profile that matches the username you searched for. Clicking on the profile will take you directly to their page, where you can view all their active gigs, read reviews from previous clients, check their ratings, and see detailed information about the services they offer. This gives you everything you need to decide whether to reach out or place an order. And there you have it. You've successfully located a seller on Fiverr using their username, making it easy to find exactly who you're looking for without scrolling through countless search results. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.